If you don't stop fighting the mountain and simply allow me to guide your climb, it will only get harder as you continue to drag old beliefs up that do nothing but hold you back. The solution is clear. Listen to this message now before someone else does. Because what I am about to share brought in a cool $33,000 in passive income. I am certainly not the best marketer, but you can't say I don't know what I am doing. Read on and I'll show you my strategy and the hidden gold nobody really seems to care about. Why most people won't ever get there. Most people won't ever get there because they master the art of making the wrong moves. Picking up the wrong strategy, spending hours, days or even weeks running the opposite direction. You know, their truths are off. And it's not their fault. They've been taught to believe in them. But after all, it's really not about strategies. And you already know where this road leads. Running in circles, scratching your head, wondering what happened. Is this really the next thing you want to do? How I can solve your blog's traffic problems? I've got an answer that works. Here's the story. I had so many people who asked me how I did it. How did I help so many people to finally start generating tons of traffic with their blogs? And if I could do the same for them? Although I'd love to, I can only work with so many clients at a time, and luckily for me, I'm constantly booked. Then I had an idea. What if I create the training and what if I give them all the tools they need as part of the training? Would that help people to achieve their goals? I think so. And that's exactly why I created the WP Traffic. It worked for these people, and it will work for you. Quick note, you guys rocked on this project. Thanks so much for doing a great job. Sierra S. CEO, company. I just wanted to share a quick note and let you know that you guys do a really good job. I'm glad I decided to work with you. It's really great how easy your websites are to update and manage.